In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share link. First, open your web browser and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. At the top right of most Google pages, you'll see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid of dots. Click that Google Apps button, then choose Drive from the menu. This takes you into Google Drive, where all your files are stored in the cloud. Once you're in Drive, look to the top left for the New button. Click New and then select Upload File. Depending on your version, it may read File Upload, but it does the same thing. A file picker window will open so you can browse your computer. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your video is saved. You can pick common video formats like MP4 or MOV. Click your video to select it, then click Open to start the upload. You'll see an upload progress indicator in the bottom right corner of Drive. Larger videos can take a while, so keep the browser tab open and stay connected to the internet until it finishes. If you need to keep things organized, it's fine to upload directly into a specific Drive folder before you start, but the process is the same. When the upload is complete, you'll see the video appear in your Drive. Hover your mouse over the file name and click the three dots, also called the More Options menu. From that menu, click Share. A sharing window will appear. By default, the file is usually restricted so only you can access it. Look for the section labeled General Access. Click it and change the setting to Anyone with the link. This makes the video accessible to anyone who has the direct link, without needing to request permission. After switching to Anyone with the link, click Copy Link. You now have a shareable link on your clipboard that you can paste into an email, a chat, or anywhere else you want to share it. If you're posting publicly, remember that anyone who gets the link can view the video, so share it only where you're comfortable. That's it. To recap, open Google Apps, go to Drive, click New, choose Upload File, locate your video, click Open to upload, wait for the upload to finish, open the three-dot menu on the video, select Share, set General Access to anyone with the link, and copy the link to share it freely. You're all set to upload and share your videos with ease.